Thank you for selecting the registration tutorial for Coastal Carolina Community College. In this video, we will walk through the process of registering for classes through self-service. Let's begin the process by logging into your MyCCCC portal and your WebAdvisor account. Select the Students tile to bring you to the Student menu. Select Register for Sections. You'll be routed to the self-service catalog of classes. Make sure your username is in the top right corner. If you see the word Guest instead of your name, select Sign In and log in using your Coastal username and password. Begin your search by selecting the term that you would like to review. You will see terms for both curriculum and continuing education. Curriculum is identified as CU, and continuing education is identified as CE. We're going to select the Curriculum Spring 2023 term. You can filter here for more options if you choose, or you can filter after you submit the selected term. The list of courses available for that term will be visible for you to search through. Using filters, you will be able to narrow down your selection to either specific locations, subjects, maybe even a specific instructor. You can view only open sections if you choose to. Once you've identified class or classes that you want to take, you can view the sections and add the specific section to your course plan. Add the section to your schedule by clicking this blue button and add it here. This course has been added to my plan. Please note that I have a financial aid hold and a business office hold preventing me from registering for these classes. I can continue building my plan, but I will not be able to register unless those holds have been cleared. A contact number has been provided in this case, but any hold that may be on your account to prevent registration should provide you with details of how to clear the hold or who to contact to get that information. Please note, on the CIS 110 class, for example, I've already completed this class. This is information only. However, it will not let me register for this class again. In that situation, if I want to take CIS 110, I need to contact the registrar's office and get assistance. If there are multiple sections available for you to select and you are unsure of what one would fit your schedule, you can add the entire course to your plan. Select Add Course to Plan, select the spring term, and add course to a plan. This course has now been added to my plan, and later I will be able to review the sections again and register for the specific section that I want. You can continue going through this list, adding various sections to your schedule. Oops. And we're going to add one more. We're adding that section to our plan. One more thing I do want to point out in this area, you can, when viewing available sections, notice that there's an additional fee on some of our classes. If you're interested in knowing what that fee is, select the course and scroll down until you see what that additional fee is. In this case, it's the digital access charge for the Chem 151 class. We're going to add that to our plan as well. Once you have all of the classes added to your plan that you are interested in taking, you're going to select the little cap and tassel that says Academics, and register for classes. Again, all of the holds that are on your account preventing registration are going to pop up warnings that you will need to clear before you actually can register for your classes. The term that generates is the current term, so we are going to arrow over to our spring term. All of these classes are marked as planned. There are some warnings that come up where there are conflicts because the classes meet at the same day and time. You will not be able to register for classes that conflict in this manner. Remember our American Literature where we just added the course to our plan instead of the specific section? Well, from here, I can view other sections of this course and decide which section fits my plan best. Once I'm happy with the section, I can select it and add that section to my plan. If I've decided that I want to use the other section, I can do that as well by viewing other sections. Notice that it's here, select it, add that section to my plan. At this time, I have 2 English 231 sections on my plan, and another warning is popping up because you cannot register for the same class twice. So I will need to remove one of those courses from my plan. I can do this by selecting the X and remove. Now I only have 1 English 231 section on my plan. If you would like to ensure that the classes that you have selected are part of your program of study, you're going to select Student Planning and My Progress. What this is going to do is pull up the current program of study we have on file for you and list all of the courses that you have completed, maybe received transfer credit for, or have planned for future semesters, in this case the spring semester. Since I need 9 credits of Humanity Fine Arts and I have completed English 232, I have transfer credit for COM 121, and I am planning English 231. By the time I've completed English 231, this section of my degree will be complete. One thing to note is that all planned courses will be listed here, even courses that are not part of your program of study. As you notice, OST 131, which is planned, is at the very bottom of my progress. This means this course is not counting in my program of study. And if I choose to take it, financial aid or VA may not pay for it. Please contact your financial assistant representative, whether it's financial aid, VA, scholarship, and make sure that they will cover the cost of that class if you are not able to pay out of pocket. We can scroll back to the top, or we can arrow over here back to Academics and select Register for Classes. Will bring us back to the registration page. Again, we're going to move back over to the spring term, and we've decided that since OST 131 is not part of our program of study, we are going to remove it from our plan. I still have a conflict of overlapping times, but what I've noticed with physics is I do not have the prerequisites to take that class. Therefore, I'm going to remove that from my plan as well. Once all of my holds have been cleared, at this time they have not, I will be able to register for these classes. If my registration date and time is November 14th at 10 a.m., then starting November 14th at 10 a.m., I can come in here and I can register for each individual section by selecting Register. If I want to register for all of the classes at one time, I would select Register Now. Once I've registered for my classes, It is encouraged, all students are encouraged to make a payment. To make the payment for your class, you're going to select this little building that says Financial Information. With the drop-down, you're going to select Student Finance. Make a payment. This will route you to the Payment Center link, which then you will click on and follow the directions to pay your tuition. If you have any questions while going through the process or need any assistance in registering for classes, you may contact the registrar's office. You can call us at 910-938-6860 or email us at registrar@coastalcarolina.edu. Thank you and have a great day.